Getting started with Python. So here we are discussing about importance of Python. Python developed by Guido van Rossum at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science at Netherlands. Python is cross-platform. We can execute Python in any operating system like Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. So better error handling errors, ease of handling errors. So we have Python editions like this: Python editions 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. So now we are using Python version 3.0. So how to install a Python installation? So coding environment. We need some software program can be written using a terminal or command prompt or a text editor to write a program or through integrated development environment. So here you can install basic Python version online just by visiting python.org. So you can download Python and you can install. So you can write a code line by line and you can interpret small programs also you can execute here. And if you develop programs in text editor, you can save the programs in .py extension, Python extension, and you can run these programs at terminal. So that is the use of text editor. Example, Notepad++. So integrated development environment. So if you install Anaconda is bundled with integrated development environments and command terminal and Jupyter Notebook, Spider, PyCharm, and more data science applications included in editors suitable for data science, machine learning, and deep learning applications. So Anaconda is bundled with all maximum softwares, that is integrated development environments and Jupyter Notebook. So we will discuss Spider integrated development environment. So Jupyter Notebook, web applications that allow create and manipulate documents. Here you can add text and code at the same time. So you can write a text, after that you can execute code. So now I will show you how to install Python from Python.org and Spider. What is a Spider? I will show you after completion of this class, okay, or this video. Advantages of Python. Python is general purpose interactive interpreted programming language. In the first video I explained what is compiler and interpreter. So here Python is interpreted language, so it executes line by line, and Python can import more libraries. So here it is a good ecosystem of libraries that are robust and varied, and we can connect database also. It provides support for reading files from local computer or from databases and cloud. So it is integrated with the big data frameworks like Hadoop, Spark, etc. And Python also supports object-oriented programming features, functional programming, and we can develop Python deep learning applications, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So these are the main advantages of Python and